don't know, but that was easy. All right, how's everybody doing today? Great day out here. See, we're on a Monday evening here. Monday evening. Been getting a few things accomplished. We're gonna walk back here to the back and we'll show you what we've got going on back there. Been pretty busy. Back here behind me, you can see I've put some gravel down beside the barn here. So this is where our little lean-to is gonna be at. That way I can keep all the implements, stuff like that. Try and keep them out of the weather. So, anywho, let's head back here to the back real quick. As you can tell, it's kind of bright out here. Sun's out. Still evening time now. It's about 5:30. Had a few things going on this past weekend. Got a lot of stuff accomplished, to be honest with you. Got a sunburn. Slight, mild, just a little bit. So, let's show you this here. Back here behind me, there's the orange beast. Yeah, let me get out of here. Got our next spot right here, this field. It's all tilled up and pretty well ready to go, waiting on our soil samples to come back on it. Got our trees, all that good stuff cleaned up over there. It all looks pretty decent. Still got a couple little tops and stuff like that to take care of. Back in there, that spot right there, I dug a big hole and buried a bunch of tree stumps because, as you know, you get tree stumps out through here, you can't really burn them. They just don't burn. There's too much dirt on them. They don't burn really well. So, dug a big hole. I'll show you that here in a second. Put all the stumps in there. They're about 3 foot under the ground. Then had the kids go through with the tractor. Yes, I let the kids drive the tractor. And as they were filling it in, they had a nice layer over the top of it. Next thing I know, the youngest one comes up. Dad, got the tractor stuck. Well, over all that fresh soil, he just drove her right over the top of it. With a full load in the bucket at that. So it just instantly sunk. Yeah, what can you do? Pulled him out. All is well. So, the other thing we got going. Dun da da da. There we go. We borrowed a little mini excavator here. Spent all day yesterday. Didn't realize it. Didn't think about it. Just trying to get things done, and should have filmed it, but I didn't. So, what I've done here, right here in this spot, we got a big hole just on the other side of the excavator there. A great big oak stump. I don't really have a whole lot to move it with, so we're going to dig our hole a little bit deeper. Then we're going to just take and roll the stump back off in it, cover her back over, and let it go. So, working on all this, you can see everything I've moved out in here. This used to be the gravel pit in here, which you can get the sun in you a little bit, but you can see the edge of it all the way down along there where they just dug it out. Trying to get it filled in, get this to where I've got a nice slope right through here, make it all pretty and usable. May not be real good for growing a lot of trees on, but I can find some other uses for it, I'm sure. It'll grow flowers, who knows what. So anywho, that's what we're going to do. We're going to dig a big hole right here, finish breaking this dirt up, get that all moved and out of the way. So I'm going to set you guys, well, I hope I'm going to set you out of the way. So as you can tell, got a pretty good sized stump right there. Pulled it out of the hole. Didn't even know it was there. I started moving all this dirt. It got buried at some point in time. It was pretty rotten, but underneath it was held on pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna take it, dig a big hole, or deeper hole than what it came out of. That way we can get it 2 or 3 feet under the ground and get all that leveled off. And you can kind of see, I mean, the camera really doesn't do it much justice, but I've got a pretty good slope to get up there, to get up to that hill right there. There's be a pretty decent little slope to get up there. I'm hoping to bring some of that down this way. So, anywho, let's go dig a hole, bury a stump. Got a couple more up there. See if we can get a hole big enough to put those in. Let's go get with it. Okay guys, so got my hole dug. I don't have a ton of reach with this, so to roll the stump back in the hole, you know, I couldn't just reach over, grab it, put it in the hole. It won't pick it up, that's for sure. It is way too heavy for that little machine. But let me show you how deep I got here. Pretty deep hole. Yeah. So we'll throw throw that stump in there and grab the tractor, shove these other couple down here if I can, get those buried, put them in here. Should be deep enough where I won't have to mess with them ever again. So let them sit there and rot. And we can continue on clearing this out.